So Jared actually reached out to one of the other leaders in our Salesforce practice, and that was in, I think, April, and the timing was just perfect. We are growing, and so that was good timing for us. And then that person forwarded me Jared's information, and then I had a meeting with Phil. So I had not had very good experiences with other recruiting firms, including ones that supposedly specialize in Salesforce resources. They end up being very transactional, just body movers. We were interested in finding a firm who would understand our culture and our unique needs, and who truly wanted to be a partner with us in finding people who would fit well on our team. So we had a conference call with Phil. Tech2 seemed to really share similar core values to Revolution Group. And I liked the fact that you have a group that focuses only on candidates for Salesforce consulting practices. Consulting employees definitely have different characteristics than internal Salesforce employees. So Phil certainly seemed to understand that. He was genuine in listening to what our needs were, understanding our culture, and that was a big reason why we agreed to move forward initially. And we have found that to continue to be true as we've developed that relationship. So we generally can rely on the fact that you've done a good job, matching candidates with both our skill requirements and our core values. No candidates are perfect, and you kind of have to take what's available in the candidate pool. We understand that, but for the most part, you've done a really good job matching those things. Phil and Jared have also been willing to push back on us when they think our requirements are unrealistic in the current market, or when there are challenges that they see. So we also appreciate that. Sometimes we've been willing to adjust our requirements, sometimes we haven't, but it's good to be able to have that dialogue around that. I think a couple of the big reasons beyond what I've already talked about are the professionalism of the relationship and your desire to be a partner with us and understand us and our culture. Your knowledge and experience with Salesforce resources, and in particular, those unique needs of Salesforce consulting practices. In the past 5 months, I think we've hired 3 candidates with Tech2 Resources. Overall, we've had a great experience. You've taken the time to understand our culture, to understand our technical needs or our skills that we're looking for as well. You've brought quality candidates to the table, which has given us options. We also appreciate that. The relationship that we've had with Phil and Jared, they've both been very professional. I feel like they've done a good job vetting the candidates. They are prompt on follow-up or when we have questions and they need to get back to us. So just overall, it's been a good experience, much different than many of the other recruiting firms that we've worked with.